So today we have a full replace and reinstall new American Standard units. The condenser that is outside is the R22 and is no longer working, so we're going to replace it with a 5-ton American Standard air conditioner and replace the furnace while we're here as well. So we got a busy day ahead of us. We got to get working. We got our new furnace in, our new A coil, new condensate line. Now let's go look at the AC outside.
Well, we're in our final stages now. Just got the system on a vacuum right now, so once that's done, we're going to pull that down for a little bit longer here, and then basically just sucks out all the moisture or anything in those line sets. And then we'll release the charge and we'll get this customer some cooling here in probably the next 25 minutes or so. But just remember, you know, if you got heating or cooling problems, don't let it drain you. Give ToTheT a call and we'll take care of you.